Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Lisa Campos, Community Affairs Director with your Positively Tampa Bay. Pinellas County has been home to the nonprofit Directions for Mental Health for nearly 30 years. They're among the largest nonprofits providing mental health services in our community. They serve approximately 10,000 patients annually in Pinellas County alone. Now, with the needs of our community growing, they are expanding into Pasco County next month, opening their first location in Newport Richey. And joining us in the studios with more this afternoon, we have April Lott, the CEO for Directions for Mental Health. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
really appreciate it.
Yes.
For the viewer who's not familiar with the services, describe how Directions for Mental Health works.
Well, Directions started as a community mental health agency, which is really providing med management, psychiatric services for those individuals who have severe and persistent mental illness. But since then, over the last 30 years, we really have expanded to include individual and family therapy. We have therapists who go into the community. We have parenting programs. We have more prevention services for young children. And we also have one of the largest child welfare, what we call family preservation contracts, where we're working with children who've been abused and neglected in their homes, working to reunify them and or get them safely adopted in what we call forever families.
These are treatments that are long-term, that can be very expensive if you don't have enough insurance or have no insurance at all. Do you find that the community that you serve has a difficult time accessing mental health services?
Yes, in fact, that's one of the, I would say, biggest challenges for individuals who have either mental health needs or just in general social health needs is access. Sometimes it's transportation, sometimes it's the money, and sometimes it's even just knowing what the services are that are available to them.
Well, in addressing the access portion, one of the things that you all have come up with is the telemedicine, telepsychiatry. Explain what your folks do to make sure you have that connection with a person, for example, who can't leave the house.
Yeah, so telemedicine really is, you know, a lot of people are familiar kind of with the Skype, you know, and that you can actually kind of communicate via a telemonitor, and that really is what it is, that our psychiatrists, which are hard to come by, are not always, you know, we don't have a whole lot of psychiatrists who are skilled in these areas, but psychiatrists can literally be in their office, and a case manager can be either in the home of a client or in another location that is comfortable for the client. And as long as that case manager has the computer and has what I'm going to call a monitor, actually can bring up the psychiatrist, and a face-to-face med management or psychiatric appointment can take place with the individual and the psychiatrist.
Wow, so they get the help they need. I read that you all are hoping with this new office and expanding into Pasco County to increase your services to 20% more patients. This is also good for the economy. How many folks are you hoping to hire?
Well, we're hoping to hire about 12 additional staff at this point, but really as we grow and expand into Pasco County, I think, you know, currently we have 250 employees in Pinellas County, and so I hope to bring you know, that to Pasco County as well.
Well, congratulations, and thank you to all of you for what you're doing in our community. If you would like to learn more about Directions for Mental Health, please visit them online at directionsmh.org, or you can call them at 727-524-4464. Thanks for watching, everybody.